With smartphone companies removing charging bricks from their boxes, people are now forced to look for other suitable options. Now, Qubo has launched a series of wireless chargers which can help you quickly juice up your devices. Now, here is a look at two of those options. The first one is MagSafe Z3. It is a foldable 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger that can simultaneously charge an iPhone, Apple Watch, and your AirPods. The magnets enable the devices to sit securely in a place, and it is priced at Rs 4,990. If you are looking for an affordable option, there is MagSafe Z2. It is a 2-in-1 device dock charger that comes with MagSafe magnetic array. Both these chargers are MagSafe and Qi-compatible. They provide 15 watt of charging. Now, Qubo says that these chargers provide protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. If you want more videos like this, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.